Hey guys, it's your boy Yasha Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button. And I wish everyone a happy new year 2024. Okay, so in this brand new tutorial, guys, today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna use your Sony ZVE10 camera as a webcam. Okay, for your PC. If you don't have because right now I'm streaming, like I'm recording in 1080p. It can go above 2K, 1440p, 2K, and even 4K as well. You'll need a HDMI video converter. So if you don't have that, then unfortunately you will be able only to streaming or recording in 1080p. When you bought your Sony ZVE10 camera, they did include a USB Type-C cable, but that cable is only short. Okay, so I will also leave links, Amazon links for you to buy a good length of that USB-C cable. But if you already own a PS5, you normally use a Type-C cable to charge the PS5 controller. Alright guys, okay, so to get that ready, what you want to do, you want to press this above this button right there. This is gonna switch to video mode. Then you want to press function, and in your function you want to go to the second tab, as you can see right here, the shoot mode, USB streaming. Okay, so you want to click this. Okay, and right now it says connect a USB cable. It is on it shows USB streaming not connected. So all you had is to grab your USB cable, okay, and then just enter it in the charging port right there. Okay, and on your PC, guys, what you want to do, you're gonna open OBS, and then you're gonna click right there, add video capture device. You can rename this as webcam, and then simply hit OK. And now choose a device, okay, ZVE10 right there, and simply hit OK. Now you can crop this thing whatever to your aspect ratio, whatever. Now I can also right click, copy this and paste it right here. Paste. Now I can transform, fit to screen, Control F. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so I'm moving the camera around and I'm recording through my phone, as you can see. So yeah, this is how it works, guys. Alright, thanks so much for watching.